Hi, I'm Crystal Greear, Grizzly Industrial's Chief Financial Officer. For over a decade, Section 179 of the U.S. Tax Code, combined with the Stimulus Act of 2008, have allowed businesses to deduct 100% of the purchase price of new equipment from their taxable income. We normally send out a reminder about the Section 179 tax deduction in the fall, but with continued supply chain disruptions, inflation concerns, plus some amazing sales, we encourage you to secure your 2022 machine purchase as soon as possible. Whether you need a sliding table saw, steel welding table, lathe mill, or other major machine, or are looking to round out your shop with a new sander or pallet stacker, this is a great time to make the investment and get 100% deduction for the tax year before it's too late. As always, we offer financing through ClickLease and Affirm, available on our website. Shop grizzly.com for quality machines at great prices to take advantage of the 2022 Section 179 deduction.